Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Iman Khayra binti Syarul Azman. I prefer to be called Iman. I'm 17 years old. I'm currently studying at MRSM Alor Gajah. The potential to solve environmental challenges excites me. That's why I chose science stream as my field of study. If I have to describe myself in 3 words, it will be smart, responsible, and hardworking. I am a very passionate person with a huge passion for many things. I am very passionate about my studies as I believe learning is always a beautiful process. I have a great fondness in sports, especially netball and badminton. This grew from hobbies to competitive sport that I have always dedicated for. I possess a well-rounded of skill sets such as adaptability, confidence, and leadership. I believe my experience in captain in a sports team be a help for my studies. It allows me to effectively guide my teams towards success. Confidence and the ability to adapt to new challenges ensure me to be a valuable asset in any dynamic environment. My technical skills include program management as I have managed many events in my school which result to success. Being an honorary secretary for Students Representative Council has helped me to enhance my personal qualities such as organization skills. For instance, I delegate my tasks and communicate plans. It allows me to prioritize my work and manage time efficiently. I believe this quality will be crucial for thriving in the demanding environment at my desired university known as University of Malaya. There's a lot of award that I have achieved, such as I was selected to represent my school in Masul, Nadwa Islamiyah, netball and badminton tournament. Throughout my academic journey in high school, I have consistently developed a strong commitment in learning and being patient in academic challenges. As a result, I'm proud to say that I have been awarded several academic honors, such as being on the Dean's List every semester. So, do I have what it takes? Feel free to contact me to know more about me. That's all from me, Iman Khayra binti Syarul Azman. Thank you.